In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation in Wix. Automations in Wix are a powerful way to save time by letting the system do repetitive tasks for you, like sending emails after a form is submitted or updating contacts when someone makes a purchase. I'll walk you through the basic process from inside your Wix dashboard so you can follow along on your own site. First, from your Wix dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu and find the section labeled Automations. Go ahead and click on Automations. This is where all of your existing automations are listed and where you'll create new ones. If this is your first time here, the page may look fairly empty, and that's totally fine. Next, we're going to create a new automation. On this automations page, look for a button that says Create Automation and click on it. This will open up the automation setup area where Wix shows you different templates and options you can use. These are usually organized by goals such as getting leads, managing contacts, or driving sales. Now it's time to select the specific automation you want. You'll see a list or grid of automation options. Take a moment to scan through and choose the one that best matches what you need, such as sending an email when someone fills out a form, or sending a thank you message after a purchase. Click on the automation you want to use. Don't worry if you're not sure yet. You can always edit or delete it later. Once you've chosen your automation, click on Setup. This will open the detailed configuration screen. Here you'll see the trigger at the top, which is the event that starts the automation, and below that, the actions that will happen automatically. Carefully review the trigger to make sure it's the right one for your scenario, and then check the actions, like which email will be sent and to whom. If you want to add more steps to your automation, look for a plus icon. Click on the plus sign if you want to add another step, such as sending a follow-up email after a delay, updating a contact label, or notifying you by email. This is where you can customize the flow to match your process. When everything looks good and you're happy with your trigger and actions, the final step is to activate your automation. Click on Activate. Once it's activated, Wix will start running this automation automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. You can always come back later to edit, pause, or deactivate it from the automations page.